Take a deep breath as we dive into a world of some of the coolest inventions you just have to know of. Starting off on a good foot, we have the NIRI Brain Tracker. As the name suggests, it studies brain activities, but instead of presenting them as waves that require a professional to interpret, it uses basic human language to explain the state of the user's brain. It comes as a headband or headphones, both of which are made with dry gilded electrodes. These electrodes scan brainwaves and interpret them into up to 20 metrics like stress, fatigue, focus, and more. But how can mind readers help anyone? Well, users can track the state of their mind, helping them increase productivity and approach situations better. It's like a fitness tracker, but for the brain. Acento Guard is a next-generation security robot that is going to revolutionize how we use AI within our homes. This robot is not your average security bot because the design is impeccable. Equipped with 2 large wheels, it can move across any terrain, whether it's rocky roads or snowy climbs. With the large wheels, it's able to pick itself back up whenever it falls without assistance, making it impossible to knock it down. It features perimeter lights, thermal detection, and human detectors. With two-way communication, you can talk to whoever is around the bot and they can respond. The Acento Guard is able to navigate back to its charger when it has a low battery, and when it's fully charged, it can last for 4 hours. As the world is reaching a point of decarbonization, hydrogen fuel cells are becoming increasingly popular. From hydrogen-powered cars, we now have hydrogen-powered airplanes, and it's an interesting creation. Introducing the H2Fly HY4, the first hydrogen-powered aircraft that's designed to reduce the carbon footprint of the aviation industry. The vision of the company is to create sustainable air travel, and they have been making progress so far. Their H2Fly HY4 converts hydrogen fuel cells into electricity to power the aircraft. It produces 0 emissions, has a low noise profile, and can fly a wider range. This invention would be one of the best human creations to grace the skies in a while. If our page is one of the best you've ever encountered, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. AC Air is the world's first patented remote control aircraft tugs. It's designed to move heavy aircraft weighing up to 9.5 tons. But what makes this invention cool is the ease of use. This technology is made with the highest standard of precision, but most importantly, it's powered by a remote control. Ground operators can now say goodbye to the archaic method of aircraft towing and embrace this new technology. The tool places the aircraft on it and moves precisely and slowly to tow the craft to its destination. The technology minimizes the risk of accidents with obstacle collision technology, ensuring no personnel get hurt during the process. In the technological age, what's a cool new shoe that is not AI-powered? Introducing the DigitSole Smart Shoe, a sneaker that integrates shock absorbency and 3D scanning to provide a comfortable footwear. However, this is not the first smart shoe to exist, so what makes it special? The shoe does a 3D analysis and movement sensors to analyze your propulsion levels, impact force, fatigue, posture, and calories to give you a full view of what happens with your body. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can track your health. Waterways are filled with endless trash to the point that sea creatures are in trouble. Collect Thor was designed to attract debris on the surface of large water bodies and keep the oceans clean. The device is placed at the edge of large water bodies and works consistently 24/7 to keep dirt out of the water. It can hold up to 100 kilograms of waste with an effective waste disposal system that redirects all the waste it carries to another location. This invention would be great for manufacturing industries because, let's face it, they dump most of their waste in the water. With this device in place, people can get access to clean water and improve their health. A mobile solar container is exactly what the name suggests, and it's a great solution to many solar panel needs. The container has different sizes of large solar panels depending on the client's needs, and it's easily deployable. All you have to do is activate it and the solar panel unfolds from the container, making it available for use. This device is great for military and conflict zones. Deserts because they have ample sunlight, petroleum industries, and humanitarian aid. One of the best features of this device is that it can be moved around with ease, so you don't have to run around to protect your solar panels in case of a storm. Absolute Scanner LAS XL is a great solution to metrology using 3D scanning, as it brings impressive speed and accuracy to the world of measurements. This tool has a scan line of 600 millimeters and standoff of up to 1000 millimeters, giving it the ability to measure deep cavities that 3D-powered tracking systems can't replicate. In essence, this device is better than most of the others in its league. The scanner can be automated partially or fully, and if you don't like that, you can operate it manually. But in what case is this laser scanner useful? You can use it to measure errors in automobiles or buildings and come up with solutions before things get out of hand. Imagine having a smart pen that you can use to pick any color to draw or write on paper or screens. Well, if you are an artist, the Color Pick pen is about to be your new best friend, as its features may make you drop all the smart pens you have ever owned. To use the pen, place it over the item with the color you want, and in less than 10 seconds, a light will blink to indicate that the copying process is done. Afterwards, place the tip of the pen on your tablet or paper and create whatever you want. What makes this pen different from other smart pens is the fact that you can use it on paper too. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more. Nowadays, scientists are creating robots to help other scientists create theirs. And that is how we have the hexapod robots. The hexapod robot is an insect-like six-legged robot that is versatile and well-balanced. Its major functions border around simulation, like flight simulations and telescope manufacturing. The major advantage of this robot is its stiffness when compared to other positioning tools, which makes it more precise and flexible. With its legs, the robot can be used to explore difficult terrains and environments. The winch ground anchor kit is a solution for when you don't have access to everything. You need to keep your ship at bay. Unlike regular anchors, you don't need multiple knots or rope to keep it in place, making it easy to set up and use. When you want to set it up, mount the base in the ground and attach your watercraft's rope to it, and you're good to go. The anchor is 0.7 meters long and can be used in sand, clay, or mud. Ango is a smart mobility device that is designed to be hands-free and keep you safe. Ideally, it's not safe to use mobility devices indoors or when you're holding multiple items. However, Ango provides a solution to that problem. So, how does Ango work? Ango has an effective obstacle avoidance technology, but would stop when it appears in front of a human. The user can place their items in the provided compartment and sit on the device and switch into manual mode. There are no handles or controls, but the user can navigate through intuitive footrest movements. For now, the major issue with this device is its lack of inclusivity. A lesser-abled person that can't move their joints freely will struggle to navigate the footrest movements. If you're a front-facing sleeper or just looking to make your next flight comfortable, then you need to try TrueRest. TrueRest is ergonomic, and it was created to help you rest well when you travel. But how exactly does it work? After consulting professionals and studying breathing mechanics, HipNap developed TrueRest to aid your respiratory system and sleep well. It takes pressure off your chest and engages your diaphragm for breathing. It also helps your back, neck, and shoulders to relax so you can enjoy your rest. Since it has a compact size, you can pack it in your luggage and get it through airport security because it's TSA approved. The Rintech Resistograph is a sophisticated electronic device that is designed to give an accurate view of the density of wood inside trees or timber. It functions like a drill, but measures deeply to show how much rot or decay is inside a tree. This device will be useful for when you want to know the power of tools you need to cut down a tree. The machine is weatherproof and can be used in any condition. You can view the results from the Resistograph directly on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Sego Charger is an origami-inspired solar panel that is great for off-gridders and campers. Origamis can be folded into smaller shapes, and that was the idea behind this panel. When it's folded, it can become 8 times smaller than its original size, making it possible to fit into almost any package. It can come in handy during emergency situations like a blackout. And our final invention in this video is the Asheraze, which is the brainchild of Honda. It's designed to help the visually impaired go out without a guide. With an electronic compass and Bluetooth capability, the shoe can tell the user what directions to follow to get to their destination. It also measures foot vibration to keep track of the wearer's health. Which of these inventions do you think is the craziest? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more. See you in the next video.